Since internet is the largest and stand-alone source for getting the information, so we need to know how to fetch information from the internet. For that purpose, Wikipedia is the best and the largest source for getting information. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to our Jarvis fetch information from internet using Wikipedia. So for that purpose, we will use the Wikipedia library. Wikipedia library basically wrapping up all the official Wikipedia API. So instead of using official Wikipedia API, we will use Wikipedia library and we will install it using the pip package manager. Let's go to the Jupyter notebook and see how we can use it. First, we have to install the Wikipedia library. We use the keyword pip install Wikipedia library. So let's run this code. Requirement already satisfied means the library has been installed successfully. So now we have to import the library. We use the keyword import Wikipedia. So let's run this code as well. Import Wikipedia. Now we have to create a function. So let's create a function here. Def search query listen audio dot lawyer or query dot replace Wikipedia with blank, and then rsur results is equal to wikipedia dot summary of what? Summary of query under the sentence of 3 only. We are replacing Wikipedia with none. Why? Because I will say Salman Khan Wikipedia, this command. So it will Jarvis knows that he has to search Salman Khan on Wikipedia, not Wikipedia Salman Khan. So because these two are different, searching Salman Khan is different, searching Wikipedia Salman Khan is different. So that's why we are isolating our main keyword from the rest. So that's why I'm replacing Wikipedia. If you are showing something different, then we can use the replace command again and again until you are isolating completely your main keyword, which is Salman Khan or Python, what you want to search on Wikipedia. So that's why I'm using a keyword replace function. Then the result Wikipedia summary is an inbuilt function to summarize the result. Instead of getting all the Wikipedia complete page on Salman Khan or whatever, print the result and speak as well. We have to add this code under this elif, or I can say I will say use the word keyword Wikipedia. Whenever I recognize this keyword, it will return the function Wikipedia in query, and we run the function as search Wikipedia in query Salman Khan Wikipedia.
Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan, Hindi, SLMNXN, December 27, 1965, is an Indian actor,